Compostable glue board DIY pest control products let sustainable-minded households monitor and reduce stored product pests without plastic waste. Use compostable glue boards by placing them in pantry corners and behind appliances where beetles, moths, and weevils travel. Cut boards to fit tight spaces and lay them flat to maximize contact with crawling insects. Replace boards on the schedule, printed on the packaging, and follow composting instructions so adhesive and substrate break down properly in your home compost or municipal compost stream. Pair monitoring boards with sanitation. Remove expired goods, sweep crumbs from shelves and vacuum crevices to remove larvae and egg cases that glue boards cannot catch. Move dry goods into airtight containers, preferably glass or rigid plastic with tight lids, to prevent reinfestation and allow you to interpret glue board catches without confusing resident pests with stored product pests. If you detect activity, do a focused inspection of all open packages and transfer contents into sealed containers before discarding infested material or freezing for a minimum of 4 days to kill life stages. For freezer use, note that some pantry freezers and upright freezers have irregular airflow and door gaps, so place boards away from direct cold drafts and on flat surfaces where they will not be blown or frozen to the walls. 3 common mistakes are placing boards on open food surfaces, which leads to contamination concerns, ignoring the replacement interval which gives pests time to breed, and relying on boards alone while skipping sanitation and airtight storage. Avoid placing boards on plates or under jars by tucking them into corners, behind appliances, and under shelf liners that keeps them out of direct contact with food. Mark replacement dates on a calendar or phone reminder and compost the used boards per instructions so you do not let spent adhesive accumulate and mislead your monitoring data. Use boards as part of an integrated approach that includes cleaning, sealing, and periodic inspection so you identify source packages and stop infestations rather than just counting caught insects. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects that matter, and our articles and product discussions include practical guidance on pantry pest prevention and sustainable monitoring. We host an active discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and find local contractors and providers for follow-up work when needed.